Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something powerful for you. I'm going to show you how to deploy the EMMYHENZ version 3 WhatsApp bot, a multi-purpose bot packed with insane features. This bot can manage groups, create stickers, handle security commands, auto status view, and like, and much more. So if you've been looking for a clean and powerful WhatsApp bot, this video is for you. Now listen. This is not just a normal bot. With EMMYHENZ version 3, you can do things like view status and like automatically banning and promoting members, auto reactions, sticker creation, encryption tools, anti-delete, anti-link, and even more advanced features. It's fast, smooth, and very easy to deploy, so make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'm going step by step, and I don't want you to miss anything. But before we start, make sure you like this video, drop a comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, because I'll be dropping more WhatsApp bot tutorials and tech content like this. Alright, let's get started. Just follow me step by step, and you'll have your bot running in no time. Step 1. Open the link in the video description. That link will take you to the bot deployment page.
Pela Somod. Pela Pela Somod. Mendes, Mendes, pela Somod. Mendes, 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 Modeling, Mendes, 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 never fall, never fall, never fall. Pela Somod. Yeah. Mendes, pela Somod. Pela Pela Somod. Mendes, Mendes, pela Somod. Mendes, 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 Modeling, Mendes, 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 never fall, never fall, never fall.
And that's it, guys. Now your EMMYHENZ version 3 WhatsApp bot is fully deployed and ready to use. You can now explore all the commands and features we talked about earlier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment if you need help or want more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.